Awning window installation in Coppell, TX, is a service that many homeowners seek to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning windows Coppell styles available, residents can choose from custom awning windows, vinyl awning windows, and aluminum awning windows to suit their specific needs. Awning window installation Coppell experts provide professional services to ensure a seamless fit and finish. Energy-efficient awning windows Coppell are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows offer superior insulation and ventilation, making them an excellent investment for any homeowner. Awning window insulation Coppell services ensure that your windows are properly sealed to prevent drafts and energy loss. Custom awning windows Coppell allow homeowners to personalize their window design to match their home's architecture and style. With a range of awning window materials Coppell, including vinyl and aluminum, you can create a unique look that enhances your property's curb appeal. Awning window design Coppell services can help you achieve the perfect balance of form and function. Awning window replacement Coppell is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Whether you need to fix a broken awning window screen Coppell or replace damaged awning window hardware Coppell, professional replacement services can restore your windows to their original condition. Regular awning window maintenance Coppell can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Awning window replacement Coppell is a great option for homeowners looking to upgrade their existing windows. With a variety of awning window sizes Coppell available, you can find the perfect fit for any room in your home. Awning window replacement services in Coppell ensure that your new windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Awning window benefits Coppell include improved ventilation, enhanced security, and increased energy efficiency. Awning window ventilation Coppell allows fresh air to circulate while keeping out rain and debris. Awning window security Coppell features, such as sturdy locks and durable materials, provide peace of mind for homeowners. Awning window cost Coppell can vary depending on the size, material, and design of the windows you choose. To get an accurate estimate, it's best to request awning window quotes Coppell from local contractors. Awning window contractors Coppell can provide detailed information on pricing and installation options. Awning window companies Coppell offer a wide range of solutions to meet your specific needs. From energy-efficient awning windows to custom designs, these companies have the expertise to deliver high-quality products and services. Awning window experts Coppell can guide you through the selection process and ensure that you choose the best windows for your home. Awning window solutions Coppell are designed to enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. With a focus on quality and performance, these solutions provide long-lasting value and satisfaction. Whether you're looking for new awning windows or need replacements, Coppell Awning Window Services have you covered.